Yeah, I
One first one was like just a then the other two were like
yeah.
There it was again. Again? Could it be a duck? I don't know.
No, ducks don't do that.
No, that's again.
That was a gun. Okay. Oh,
Oh, maybe it was a goose? Maybe something honking.
tree. I don't know, people. What do you think? Yeah,
That was me.
I know. Now we don't hear it. Oh, there it is again. There's a windmill.
Maybe. There they are around here.
Yeah, they're
The wind
around here.
turbines?
Yeah, the turbines. Yes.
Alright, do you want to go ahead of me then? I can't hear them anywhere.
Yeah. It could be a turbine.
Could be a turbine.
Well, so we'll put that, chalk that up to a turbine.
For now, yeah.
Yeah, for now. Unless somebody else can prove otherwise. I'd like somebody to do that. I don't mind being wrong and being corrected. It's all part of life. And no, I'm not.
Assuming available on this, right?
No.
Do these ones have night vision or just the guys on my shirt?
Just the guy on your shirt. That's got video and what do you call it? When game cams are set, what do you call it? Motion detect
Okay.
as well. Excuse me.
When we go camping, if you find a really good spot and how much are these things, just out of curiosity?
That?
Yeah.
I paid Giant Tiger $15 when they had them. 115, 112. Oh yeah, you can get.
So I'm wondering.
You can get those.
If we find a good spot when we're up north, again, see where we're going.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if you want us to or not. I wonder if we find a good spot
Let's just say we're going up to Georgian Bay.
in that area.
Yes.
In and around there.
Yeah, in the Georgian Bay area.
Wonder if we can set one up overnight one night.
If you want to get 2 or 3 of those and
Yeah, I'll
just
see if I can
hide
find
them,
online. I actually.
keep it in the case.
Yeah, for sure. 'Cause
In
it's
case,
waterproof.
yes. Because you can still hear the audio. Yeah.
Hear the falls again.
Yeah. You hear birds.
Yeah, in the sky.
Yeah. Sometimes people are suspicious when they're out searching. They hear helicopters coming in, and circling.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think because they see somebody's telling somebody there's lights out there in the woods in the forest, and they're trying to check, or the government may have sensors going off in them, and that these people don't know. But plus, they like the Bigfoot, Sasquatch. They like to move to when there's a plane close by.
Mm-hmm.
That way they can move under the noise better.
What was that?
I don't know. Motorbikes, maybe?
Almost sound like a dog bark, but it was like really far off in the distance. So I don't think it was the people that passed us.
Yeah. Maybe it's a farmer's dog from across the way, a hunting dog.
And I'm doing my best to keep this as steady.
That's fine. It's at F37.
Yep, I'm just doing a very slow pan.
Yep, you go ahead. That's natural. Broke because you one fell on it. Right there. Either root ball down there. Going in there, it's a little steep. either the ground filled back in, or else was carrying from somewhere else. And that big tree I was talking about, they're just down there and snapped right off down there. Alright. This one here has a root ball at the end. It's old, but can't see where it uprooted down there.
Hold on, I gotta
So,
find it first. There we go.
yeah, so I don't know if something picked it up and placed it here, or the hole where the root ball was covered up, like the dirt over time. Excuse me, people. Like I said, moisture and stuff in my lungs, I get more moisture. There's an old river creek bed going down here. And it goes off way down into there. Ravine way deep in there. Man, that's another deep ravine going down there. I was watching a video. I'm not going to say, I'll tell the video. Turtle Man. Okay, his YouTube channel.
Okay.
Who's
Turtle Man?
He's basically a fella a little older than your mom and I. And he had some land. Mm-hmm. And he and his wife are going out looking for Bigfoot. All right, they were getting things showing of Bigfoot, like different things, and branch right there to here to right here. You ain't growing out of the tree there, but then you got a stick there, and you got a tree growing right out of. Okay, well that's a branch off of that. And you got that stick right there coming up. And from there, that's probably just regular fall. Anyways, it's like in Kentucky or something like that. Him and his wife were looking for Bigfoot. And I was watching an episode because, he and his wife, but I kind of think they kind of ad-lib, right?
Oh, on the video?
On their video, yeah, they get like kind of excited, like really excited. I don't get really excited because to me it's not.
Oh, careful.
Yep.
Snake or spider hole or something.
Yep. To me, it's not all about hey excitement. Hey, I got one. To me, it's like when I find something, I get emotional in here, right? Even when I think about them, and when I'm out, and all that. But him and his wife get excited. But there's an episode where they are looking, and they got the camera pointed in one direction, and they're looking where they're walking. Mm-hmm. And while they're standing there and they didn't catch it, there was a peeker coming out of the ground. It was a Bigfoot peeking his head. They didn't even see it.
Okay.
And so I time-stamped it, send them, but never heard again.
Changing my idea here. Hang on to this.
Yep. Oh, you're gonna try to clip it on your hat.
Sure.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
That's better.
There. Yeah.
That way. We'll see how this works. I clipped my GoPro on my coat. Hopefully that's a good idea.
Yeah.
If that works, we should do this when we go camping.
Yeah. I got another one on my backpack.
Well, it's here now. We don't have to worry about if I pan one way with the little tiny one in my hand. I can look in every direction and then.
Yeah, where your eyes are looking is where your camera's going to be at. So if you move your head fast, it's going to go fast. Look at this spider. Look at this one.
I don't want to help.
Oh, your mom won't like this one. Look at that. That's the side of my. Look how big that is. No, I'm not going to touch him. But look how big he is to my finger. Look at that. Holy cow! It's a big one.
I love camping. I don't like the.
Okay. Yeah. Well, hey, I'm a guy.
Daddy,
I love.
I can handle because I can touch them too.
There you go. Come on. For those who don't like spiders, please do not watch this. This may be disturbing to some people. Your discretion is advised. And passing out if you don't like bugs is advised. Big black. I don't know. That looks like between a spider and a freaking ant. Here, let me get a snapshot of this thing. I can tell you, is it? Oh, yeah, it is a spider. Where are you, bugger? Look at this leaf here. There you go, right. I got you right there. Yeah. All right. All right, let's get you up, Megan. Oh, would you? What would have taken this down? There's branches, but nothing up there. And there's nothing here around that would have taken it down. It's possible. There's a dry river, a creek bed facing that direction. Back up to there, down a ravine. Maybe, maybe not. I was looking at that tree bend break back there. There was nothing around it that would have landed on it to break it. What is that? An old egg. An eggshell. Okay, well, something had food here. There's a game trail right there. And again, I'm gonna make a whoop. Whoop. Again. Whoop. Whoop. If you spy anything, please leave a comment below and tag. I'll try to get, as soon as I can, to credit you for that on my Facebook page. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and tell your friends and families, co-workers, kids. Okay? Old or young, it don't matter. As I said, we research,
What about this?
research, investigate, and educate.
I could be wrong.
Ooh, what's that?
This.
Oh, the branch? Yeah, that's just, I think this is just cut down.
Okay.
No, they just moved out of the way. Oh, we're going back creek over there. Okay, that must be going one big huge circle.
I hope it does because it's a long way back otherwise.
Yeah. Well,
Stubbed my toe into my side machine.
if you want, I can put. Oh, there's a sign there.
Oh. Oh, there we go.
Yep.
Um,
Okay, so
I'm just
we got to go to the right here.
Yes, I'm not going to point my camera at it.
No.
I don't want to know where it is, but-
Yep.
So bear with me for just a minute. Let me get down. It's really shoddy in this video, but that's the white trail. That's 3 kilometers back to the car, but it seems to go this way. We're only 2.5 kilometers from the car
Okay.
compared to 4.
All right, and this will take us. Sure.
Take
Okay.
us to the road that we passed.
I'm old. My brain's dead. Take a second to adjust that. Yeah.
There's fungi on the tree. I get it through the fungi.
Yeah. Well, it could be food source. All right. There's a creek down there. Be food source or water source.
And the tracks down there. We can't comment on it.
Yeah, there's tracks down there. I don't know what they are. Along the side. Could be, yeah.
One closest to the water? I can't zoom in on my camera.
Oh. She's talking about those prints, people. Those ones right there.
They look
They
decent
they
size.
are big.
We can't get over there, but
No, but
they
you know,
look decent size.
well, yeah, you know what size they kind of look like?
Like an adult?
Well, you know, people could chalk it up to human prints. You know, like maybe a hunter or something walking along the shore. But if you look at it from where I'm at, I'm trying to get a better view of them. they're like 14 inches. But it could be men. They go right up back. They go they go there too. And they go across here. And right straight through there. Now what guy would walk in there unless he's got really good boots? Here, I'll try to get you a better shot up here. Yeah. I mean, they're like size like 14, 16 inches. Their boot print, 14, 16 inches. For a man. For a man, that is huge. I wear a size 10 in these things. I have, and my foot be a lot shorter than those. So they look like a 14 to 16 inch. That'd be a pretty big man, or somebody with an awful big set of boots or shoes. And I wear a size 10, men's 10, and my foot, my shoes, my boots here, hiking shoes, will be 2-3 inches shorter.
You're definitely gonna have to watch for ticks.
Well, ticks and poison ivy,
Yeah.
or oak, or whatever you want to call it. I just check and see if there's any little hitchhikers. All right. This is giving us a loop-de-loop. Okay, so we're...
literally just takes us down to the bottom versus where we were at top.
Yeah.
That was me. Ooh, that was me again.
Yep.
I was down.
Boy, bitch burned 100 calories today.
It's been so nice out here.
Mm-hmm.
I know. I so like. Oh, it's probably. Oh, there's a little.
Couple chickies, chipmunks. Yeah, must have spooked them. Yeah, that or they're just playing. All right.
Alright, so we have to cross over here. Go up where that arrow is.
Yep, okay. Somebody was placing fossils on the rock there. Yep.
Sorry?
Somebody's placing fossils on a big rock here.
Right there.
Yep. Well, we'll add one onto it for good luck. Find a fossil and lay one right on it. Can't find it. Oh, there's a fossil right there. Right there. There we go. I know this is coral. To me, it looks like a piece of poop. You know, I always thought that when I was a little kid with my dad, with your grandpa Marco way up there and down in California when we were kids.
Yeah.
I always thought of these as dinosaur poop, but I always knew they were corals. There's one for me to take home. That tiny little brachipod. That's the tiniest one I probably ever gotten or found. Here it goes out of the sun. See? Yeah, it's 9.5 inch wide. Pocket.
Oh, thank goodness. I had to worry for a minute. Like, where's my cell phone?
Oh, another brachipod there. But, ooh, what's that? Shell. That looks like a clamshell. Megan?
Mm-hmm.
Clamshell.
Clamshell.
Clamshell. A brachipod. Bring them home for good luck, eh? Bring one or two. Yeah, a clamshell. You can see the marks on the top for clams. Is it for a clam? And it's hollow underneath. It's clamshell. Okay, you came across here?
I came across those rocks.
Oh, okay.
It was just easier than me trying to figure out if that was just an algae puddle again or an actual rock covered in algae.
Ah, okay, let's go. File making. Right here, here, and here. Good move. Okay. Let's go. Oh, another step going up there.
Interesting.
Yeah. Somebody probably tied it there so they can use it later. There, for pulling up. Okay. Okay, let's look up here. That looks like an old game trail right there. An old game trail. All right. Got an itch in my head here because mosquitoes. This place is inundated with them. I say, can't do anything to hide that. Try to tone that down on the video when I do it. This is a beautiful place. Yeah. Don't matter if we didn't find it, but we found a good footprint. It would have been great to cast. Sticks. Sticks, 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 sticks. Could be somebody setting a brush aside. Tracks there. Look at that. I don't know. Tell me, what do you think? Could be just sticks. Ooh, listen to that tree. Well, that tree is squeaking like a door. No door. You're a ghost in these woods.
I almost thought it would be like a deer every time.
Yeah. 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 A big tree up there is doing some squeaking. Okay. That's a bit of a climb. Just over 2 hours and you got 28%. That's good. Look at that big snap. All the way down there. Okay. I'm gonna do it. Find a tree branch and do a knock.
Sure.
You can find one. Nice big, nice thick stick. Oh, maybe. You're okay.
Right.
Yep. Oh yeah. Let's see. This is good. Right there. Okay, right there. Okay. 3, 2, 1. One more time. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Look at that one, where it snapped.
Sorry?
Look at that tree where it snapped and how it's precariously. See how it's broken right there?
Couldn't it have been a lightning strike?
No, I think it just got broke from
Old age?
old, and it's resting on the one that's going here. So it's like a giant log widowmaker.
There we go.
At some time, and it's resting right. It's sitting right up there, and you know anything could go nesting up there, like sit up there. But
Could it hold something as heavy as
it can hold. But I would say if there's a wind gust and they're on there, that's going to separate and be one heck of a smash.
Alright, Dad, what about this?
Oh, yeah, that is interesting. We can talking about that right there, right up there, right there. Let's go take a peek. Nothing down here. It's all open. It's all open down there. No.
Oh, well, it goes way down here.
Yeah.
It's not as small as I thought it was.
No, but it doesn't have to be. Okay. Branches are broke. And they're leaning right onto that.
Big rock is broken down.
Yeah. But out of the other ones, well, they could have just fell on top. You know what I mean? It's possible. Alright, what is that over there? That's chipmunks. I know them because they're a nuisance in my backyard. Digging up plants, putting holes in the ground, digging up, eating the fresh tips off of stuff. No, hold on, Hagen. Right in there. Right there. Right there. And I'll try zooming in again. Right there. That looks different, just like the ones down below it too. Yeah. With the damn mosquitoes. Oh wait. It's going down with this. Okay. Maybe it's not something. But this one here, Megan, look at this. One by you.
Oh.
Nothing that would bring it down. Nothing. Oh, wait a second. Unless, well, it would have had to been leaning pretty darn far that way for that log to catch it.
What's your opinion on this?
It would almost look like a foot here, but nothing's pressing it down, so it's not fresh.
I was looking at the one
But-
closest to the log too, but that's really, really thin.
That one there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's hard to say. Yeah. All right, boy. This has got to take us back sometime. Like one big loop-de-loop.
I don't know where we are.
No. I got the GPS located on it. It's like that looks like a.
Footprint? Like a human?
Well, it's not a footprint. Like a.
That's a boot.
Yeah. Could be I don't know. Maybe there's no definitive toe prints in it,
Because then there's this guy.
so it has that arch of a boot of some
I
sort.
think that looks like, I don't know.
Oh, like
That's my phone.
yeah, like here, digs
You
in
do?
there, and there.
Almost sound like a goat. Oh,
Yeah.
there it was again.
That was
From
a.
up there.
You sure? It wasn't over there?
Nope. What I heard was up here.
Well, I heard it was over there. Like a whoop.
Sound like a little baby goat.
Well, to me, it sounded like a. Like that. Like in the last video I put up. That'd be season 3, episode 3, people. The one with the whoops.
You want to pull out your that thing and just see where we are compared? Oh no, it's on your thing, isn't it?
Oh. Here, let's see. That's